Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Madam Excellence here. So today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious, good looking GIZZDODO. See how that looks. It is so delicious. If you do this, if you make this recipe, you will be making GIZZDODO every week. I'm telling you, I'm not kidding. So stick around and I'll show you how. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you so much. So these are the ingredients we need. Of course, plantains. I'm using about 4 big plantains, ripe plantains, habanero peppers, bell peppers, and then 1 large tomatoes, onions, and our gizzards, chicken gizzards, and then our spices, a curry, thyme, paprika, parsley, and garlic powder. And then I have ginger and garlic on the side there. So go ahead, we are going to be chopping up. I think you need about 3 red peppers. We'll blend 2 and we're going to chop up 1. You don't need more than that, trust me, you'll be fine. And 1 large tomatoes. We are going to be blending these ones up. Just chop them like so. This is gonna be so yummy. You will not leave this recipe alone if you get it done. And then we are gonna be chopping up our other bell peppers. Just make them colorful as you like, the colors you want, the colors you find in the store. I mean the bag I got, the green ones wasn't there, so I can't even be bothered. So I got the yellow, the orange, and the red. Just chop them up. This is what we're going to be using to garnish the GIZZDODO when we are done. Just chop them in little chunks like so. Hope your day is going good though. How is everything going? How is work? Are you a stay-at-home mom like me? I'm just at home with my baby, bonding with my baby, and that's about it. So keep chopping like so. And there you go. That's all the peppers we'll be needing. Yeah, it's a lot, but it's nice. And then for the onions, one will be used for, we'll be using this 1/2 to garnish our gizzards. Put in a cube of Knorr cube. And then I put in salt to taste. Yes, all that salt. And then curry powder, paprika, and then give it a good stir. And then we'll be putting about 2 to 3 cups of water into these gizzards. Yeah, because it's kind of tough. We want it to be fully cooked. And then we'll go ahead and chop up our plantains. We are going to be chopping it up in little cubes. You know, we want it bite size, right? Like so. Plantains are so yummy, right? Literally. Like so, we're gonna just keep chopping till we're done chopping them up. If you like this video so far, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. So we'll go ahead and blend our tomatoes and our peppers, habanero peppers, ginger and garlic, blend them all up. And then right away we are frying our plantains. Let me just let you know one confession. I almost finished eating the plantains while I was frying them. Like, you can't just resist them. And there you go, plantains are fried. It's okay if a little bit is burned. That's the gizzards right there. The water is completely dried up. And then we'll go in now and we'll chop up the gizzards in little chunks like that. And then in a hot pan, put in our oil, vegetable oil, and we're going to be pouring in blended tomatoes and peppers. Give it a good stir. We'll be cooking this for at least 5 minutes because we want to just cook off the sour taste. And when it's cooked, and just put your heat on medium heat. And then we're going to pour in our onions. And then we'll be putting in our spices I showed you earlier on. And give it a good stir as well. And then we'll be putting in our Knorr cube. Yeah, we needed 2 Knorr cubes, 1 for these and 1 was used for the gizzards. Give it a good stir. It smells so good. Like, it literally smells so good. On medium heat, it's still cooking. We want everything to taste so good, not sour. So the next thing we're gonna do is just cover it a bit, and then we're gonna be putting in a pinch of salt to taste. You can skip the salt if you don't want it, but I just wanted it to taste a little bit. And then we're going to be putting in our gizzards, chopped up gizzards. I almost finished the gizzards as well. It was so tasty, like so tasty and spicy. And then we're gonna be pouring in our plantains. It smells so good. I can't wait. I pair this up. You can pair this with rice if you want. Whoa, it's just gonna blow your mind. Just pair it with rice and see how it goes. Give it a good stir. And then we're gonna be going ahead. We will pour in our mixed peppers. Look at the color. Look at that color. Imagine if I had the green peppers. Ooh, that would be so good. Much more. But it doesn't take away anything from the food. Still pretty good. It smells good. It tastes good. So mix them all up. And there you go. GIZZDODO. Super delicious, super yummy, and even looks good. Pair this with rice, or you can eat it on its own. And let me know how it went. If you tried it out, let me know how yours went. There you go, GIZZDODO. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. And thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.